I am pleased to see all of you return to the Shiba Inu realm. Our current best estimate puts the cost of an earthquake at $2.08 billion. Therefore, Shiba Inu owners should start making preparations immediately. One of the most famous Ethereum-based meme currencies, Shiba Inu, saw its performance plummet 9% in just 7 days, sending alarm waves across Shib owners. A Twitter account has been recently set up by the community to spread news about the Shib coin. In this video, we go over the data showing that Shiba Inu owners should be ready to spend $2.08 billion in the event of an earthquake. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you want to get our latest information on Shiba Inu pricing forecasts and expert analysis. First things first, let's not procrastinate any longer and begin. According to Burns, Burr managed to amass 3,785 MEM7 for 434 tokens in the month of August alone. After a standard rectangle bottom layout on September 4th, turned the 0.127 mark become an immediate support level. Let's examine what Shiba Inu did on September 5th. The ship not only found a place to recover at this level of support, but it also had a pattern breakout, which placed it closer to the basis line of its finger bands, another good development. If the MEM8 currency closes the next sessions above this mark, it would be in a good position for a long-term rally, as buyers kept adding to their underlying pressure following the market's more than 2 months of sideways movement. The strength of the Shib bulls gradually increased. Even though the market had a three-way falling wedge decline the month before this still happened, it's in the best interest of the bulls to keep their advantage, as any bearish crosses could signal an invalidation. This is due to the fact that the bottom's upper and lower bands are becoming closer to one another, suggesting that the Shib may see a period of less volatility in the coming months. The buying power strengthened, leading to a breakthrough surge at the level of 1217 when the decline is less than the baseline value of 0.217. It indicates a bearish trend. In the event that the price surges past the 0.129 zones basis line, recovery portals will be formed into the 0.134 to 0.138 level. The AXX may recover or indicate a prolonged decline after just about breaking through the midline, despite the fact that it has been continually declining for the preceding few weeks. Keep a watch on Bitcoin's movement in general, as investors should be mindful of the 49 correlation between altcoin shares and Bitcoin over the previous 30 days. Buyers can capitalize on the latest breakout if the relative strength index maintains closing above the 50 barrier, which has increased slightly. From the lower TRs of the CMF, there was a bullish divergence in the price action. A validation of the bullish attitude may be possible with persistent growth beyond the minus 0.12 criterion. In order to spot any bullish invalidations, market mood may play a significant role. The cryptocurrency market is currently bustling with activity. Additionally, a number of coins that were previously underappreciated are now creating quite a commotion in the cryptocurrency market. Elon Musk has been extremely outspoken on Shiba Inu, despite the fact that he is a millionaire with strong opinions about everything happening in the world of Bitcoin. Shiba Inu is the greatest medium coin to invest in during the present down market, although many don't understand why. The metaverse that Shiba Inu will live in has been named Oz's, according to an announcement. With so many other projects in the works already up and running, it is to be expected that the Shiba Inu founders would like to offer their dedicated audience something new. To cryptocurrencies who are eager to invest in new and fascinating currencies, have shown time and again that the social media platform can set trends and significantly impact their attitudes. Because Shiba Inu is among the most talked about coins on Twitter, that is why. The coin, not the actual product you are explaining, will be the first thing that springs to mind if someone is familiar with the breed SPA. To what extent people are interested in Bitcoin is revealed by this. Anyone paying attention will notice and keep an eye on any new currency that appears. Rashai proposed this coin featuring the iconic Shiba Inu as a trademark, and we all took note because he was the one who first thought of the dog. It is a coin that many people would love to have because of how popular it is. The ability to convert Shiba Inu coins to fiat money or even Bitcoin is only one of many advantages of these coins. It only took 1 day for one of the biggest Shibas in Wales to add about $2 trillion worth of SHIB tokens to their balance. Earns $22 million was its total value when purchased. Whale's wallet is around 319 million SHIB tokens, ranking it as the sixth biggest insurable wallet by balance, according to the statistics. Big sales like these happen all the time in the Shiba Inu community, but every once in a while, the sheer size of the deal makes headlines. There has been a great lot of disagreement in the community because no one knows who owns this specific wallet. On the other hand, it may be an exchange war wallet, which would indicate that hundreds of investors could have funds stored there. A private investor or a teen's pocketbook might be its rightful owner, according to some. On the other hand, this might be an exchange war wallet. Ethereum Whales is another well-known Shiba Inu investor that is closely watched. Among the leading backers of the around 85%, Ethereum Whales has a total worth between $52 billion and over $1 billion. There was a drop in value for the biggest Ethereum Whale SHIB holdings last year. The Whales positions took a hit due to the market downturn, even though they did part of the damage by selling some of their tokens. Since its peak, the value of Shiba Inu has dropped by more than 85. At the moment, Shiba Inu is worth 13 times as much as the 13th biggest cryptocurrency. Due to the fact that most investors bought into the digital asset during the bull market, its profitability has totally plummeted. The Shiba Inu price reached 134 cents, a 9% rise on Sunday. Nevertheless, most of these gains were shared among the participating Shiba Inu coins before the day came to a close. While the SHIB burn approach promised hope for better times to come, Shiba Inu investors have become one of the most affected communities in the market. A SHIB team released a blog post last week outlining important advancements on the much-discussed SHIB metaverse in addition to the burn process. They went on to say that they had been hard at work on the metaverse's core framework since the unveiling on the third level. The members and best practices that make up this central structure collaborate to provide an immersive experience that the Shiba Inu community can be proud of. The ratio of the Moonship's market value to its realized value had been falling since the end of August, but it had recently begun to rise somewhat. Additionally, Shib can achieve the Moonship's market value realized value ratio with the help of these improvements. There are a number of signs that the market is changing. Various pieces of data, including on-chain measures and ecosystem announcements, suggested a short-term price spike. The exponential moving average ribbon and divergence served as indicators of the moving average convergence and likely rise. The second indicator showed less divergence between the 20-day and 55-day exponential moving averages than the first one, which showed a bullish crossover. We have reached the end of today's debate. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Furthermore, the SHIB price was shown by the Bollinger Bands to be in a very unstable zone, making a breakout more likely. It is possible that the SHIB may show favorable movement in the coming days, considering all the recent developments in the network and the market indicators. To stay up to date with all of our latest content, we kindly request that you like and subscribe to our channel.